guys, what is up? It is Niche Draven, and today I'll be filming a look that was requested by one of my YouTube subscribers. I wore it in my Halloween haul, my second Halloween haul video, and my thrift haul. Basically a blue eyeshadow. I might do it a little bit differently than I had in the video. Basically, I was inspired by Riel from Ergo Proxy, and I just love her makeup so much, you guys. Like the bright blue eyeshadow. It looks really gothic. And honestly, I've been seeing pictures of this specific character on all over Facebook and Twitter. And every time I see it, I'm like, wow, I want to look like her. I want to do my eyeshadow like her. So this is what we're doing today, you guys. I'm gonna try to dress up like her as well. The high neck top. I'll have like a Victorian shawl that we'll be going over this later. Because her style is really like Victorian Gothic. Like it's like a modern Victorian Gothic. But I just recently started watching the anime recently, and I'm only like 2 or 3 episodes in, so that's where I'm at right now. But it's pretty good so far. I like it. And if you guys saw my thrift haul, I was wearing this necklace when I was trying on the clothes, and this is from Nightingale Embroidery. I'll post a link down to their shop and their Instagram and Twitter down below in the description box. I really like it because it's like a lover's eye. It's an embroidered lover's eye with the little bat pendants and with like chain mail kind of chain. That's really cool. So I already applied like all my face makeup, my foundation, concealer, contour, pretty much everything that goes on the base, and I'm just gonna jump right into the eyeshadow. Okay, so I will display some pictures of Riel on screen so y'all guys can see how she looks like in her makeup. Basically, so first I'm starting off with the KVD Beauty Divine palette. This one came out years ago, you guys, and I love it. Haven't used it in a minute, so we're gonna be diving into the shade Waters. This is like a really light blue eyeshadow. I'm basically gonna use this as a transition shade or like a base shade, so I'm not gonna apply it too heavily. I just want light, just so that way the darker eyeshadow will blend out more easily later on. I didn't use this in the first time I did this makeup, but I kind of want to try it with a lighter shade first and then dive in darker blue. Okay, so next I'm diving into the Norvina Volume 1 palette. And I'm diving into the shade D4, which is the bright blue in this palette. I think it's pretty perfect for a Riel look. So I basically been applying it onto my eyelids and then blending out onto the previous eyeshadow that I had just applied. Of course, because like her makeup looks different throughout the series, or like throughout this episode scene. Like sometimes it looks more winged, like that's what I did the first time. And then in some photos it looks more round. So I'm kind of going for a rounder eye look today, but I did kind of wing it out a little bit when I was blending it, just a tiny bit, but of course you can wing it out or keep it round if you like. It doesn't really matter. Okay, so next I'm applying the KVD Beauty Anti-Precision Liner on my waterlines. Okay, so next I'm doing my brows using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Powder in Granite, and I'm gonna try to follow her brow shape as closely as possible, just really thin and angled. Okay, so my lips are nude, so I'm applying the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in the shade Sand. This is pretty nude. I don't want my lips to be too nude, but I want some color in them, so yeah. Okay, so that is it for today's video, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. I had a ton of fun recreating Riel's eyeshadow look. I mean, technically, I guess this is a Riel makeup tutorial, but also this is a simple smoky blue eyeshadow. Also, one of my subscribers requested a makeup tutorial for this look, although I did try and change it a little bit and made it more rounded than winged, because originally when I was looking, like the first photo I had of Riel on my phone, her eye looked more winged, but then like some other photos, it looked more rounded and more smokier, so I like that better. So that's what I did. So, but you can also, like, you can wing it out as you want. You can just blend it that way. Try to make my hair like hers. And also there's like some parts where her hair kind of almost look like little ears in some scenes. I don't know. I really like her style overall. And that's because I haven't seen like, I've only seen like 2 or 3 episodes of the anime so far. So I like her style. Also when I first like saw her character, she kind of, like in like pictures on Facebook, she kind of reminded me of Amy Lee from Evanescence. Specifically, there's one album cover, I can't remember the name of it. I'm not sure if it's called Tourniquet or I don't remember the name of it, but it's like the blue album cover, the iconic one, and she just totally reminded me of Amy Lee from the album cover. Also, this awesome Victorian looking cape is from the Black Manor. I'll make sure I'll tag their Instagram username up here, but also I'll make sure I'll leave a link down below to their website and their Instagram page as well. I actually won this cape in a giveaway, and I'm super happy I won this, you guys, because I love it, and I've already worn this several times, especially like out to like school. Well, the one time I had to go to school recently, but yeah, I've worn this several times already, and I just love it so much. Just like, it reminds me of like a Victorian morning cape. I really love it, you guys. And also I feel like it suits this character right perfectly with her style. So I had a ton of fun recreating this look. So make sure to leave a like, comment down below, and also make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Also make sure you hit that notification bell so that way you guys will be notified whenever I do post videos on YouTube. I do try to post every Mondays, but I will be posting a lot of makeup tutorials in the coming month of October. So I'm really excited, you guys. So make sure you guys do stay tuned for that. I have a bunch of really fun and exciting makeup tutorials coming for Halloween, so I can't wait to bring them to you guys. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook for more awesome content. I'll have all my social medias linked down below in the description box. Also, make sure you do check out my Depop. I have a bunch of really cool clothes on there. I have a bunch of band t-shirts and some really cool goth pieces, ranging from sizes extra small to large, all from my personal closet, of course. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys have a safe, wonderful, and spooky day. Bye, guys!